Just cruising in our stripped out E36 M3. I wish it was a E30 M3. Fuck, this thing is a joy to drive. Woo! Good afternoon, guys. Welcome back to the channel. It's been a while since I've uploaded, but kind of busy with all the buying of the project cars and refurbishing this and redoing that. But behind me, as you can see in the shot itself, we have our E36 M3 that we recently acquired, and what we're going to do with it is we're most probably going to be doing a complete restoration. Those of you that follow me on my Instagram account, you'll see that we've purchased a lot of parts for this car, and a lot of them actually came from Germany. So without further ado, let me take you through what we have actually bought and take you through the car. It's not as clean as you think. So some of the good features is that it still has the original exhaust. A lot of body work is required. You can see some of the panels are falling down. We'll get all of the clips for it as well. You can see one fake tail light here, one original tail light here. That's not so much of a concern. At least we have all of the wheels with the M Sport Motorsport, BMW Motorsport logo engraved on it. We got one spare as well, and you can see the condition of the rubbers. They're actually very quite perished. This year we've ordered new ones as well. We've ordered new ones of these as well. New rails, this will be new. The beadings there will be new as well. I've already stripped out the interior. We can have a look and see our lovely door and its stripped out phase. The leather is going to be refurbished. I'll show you guys that a little bit later. Gen 1 M3, new gear knob on the way. We'll see if we can try and source a new steering wheel as well. This hazards light will be replaced as well. You can see the other side. Let's have a look at the back. It's in, yeah, not the cleanest, but will be one of them soon. You can have a look at the seats. See the door cards, see the seats. Yeah, so all of this here will have to be refurbished. That there, I don't know how the hell am I going to find this here, but we're going to have to try. Let's go and have a look at some of the parts as well as the other leather interior. Before we get to the parts, you can have a look at the engine bay in its current form. So I gave it a little bit of a wash, but obviously enthusiast garage style, we're going to replace every gasket, every seal, most probably do the varnishes as well. We've got the replacement intake for that airbox there as well, including the original, what are they called? I think they're called hose clamps. The original hose clamps. I'm going to get rid of these aftermarket xenons as well. New bonnet shocks there, new cowl, new cover. Get all of that. You can see fog lights are missing, air ducts are missing, but that's all on the way from Germany. Let's go have a look at the interior. Here we have the rear of the interior in pretty decent condition. We'll refurbish that there. Some of the trim here as well, roof headlining and things like that there, all of that's going off to the upholsterers. And here inside, excuse the mess, is about 50,000 rand worth of parts, maybe 30, can't remember. You can see this is oil filter housing, O-ring, oil filter, some beadings, M3, some rubbers, the cowl, there's a gear knob here somewhere, more beadings, there's that funny shaped hose clamp as well. There's that airbox thing sitting down there. And this is the fog lamp. There's the fog lamp. This is the gear knob. Looks actually quite cool. I like it. There's the gear knob. There's a sticker for the gear knob as well. Somewhere here. Engine covers, things like that. This is one of I think 4 boxes that's on his way. There's another beading there. One of 4 boxes on his way. I hope you guys enjoy the series and join us on this refurbishment. Keep safe out there. Be careful of the coronavirus and look after yourself.